Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's my topic is Zener diode. We discussed in this topic about Zener diode, operation of Zener diode, application of Zener diode, and comparison between Zener diode and PN junction diode. So let's start. What is Zener diode? A semiconductor diode blocks current in the reverse direction but still suffers from premature breakdown or damage if the reverse voltage applied across becomes too high. A diode operates in forward biased. In reverse direction, the current not flow in simple diode. So a Zener diode is a silicon semiconductor device that permits current to flow in either a forward or reverse direction. The PN junction diode don't work in reverse direction, but Zener diode permits current to flow in either a forward or reverse direction. The diode consists of a special heavily doped PN junction. There are two semiconductor material, P semiconductor material and semiconductor materials. Both are joined, but doping level are very high comparison to simple PN junction diode. So designed to conduct in the reverse direction when a certain specified voltage is reached. The Zener diode has a well-defined reverse breakdown voltage at which it starts conducting current and continuous operating continuously in the reverse bias mode without getting damaged. Additionally, the voltage drop across the diode remains constant over a wide range of voltage. A feature that makes Zener diode suitable for use in voltage regulations. Zener diode operation. It's like Zener diode symbol represent here like a simple diode and characteristics forward bias condition like a PN junction diode, but reverse condition is different from PN junction diode. So the operation of Zener diodes. The Zener diode operates just like the normal diode in forward condition and has a turn on voltage of between 0.3 and 0.7 volt. However, when connected in the reverse mode, which is usual in most of its application, a small leakage current may flow as the reverse voltage increase to the predetermined breakdown voltage Vz. A current starts flowing through the diode. The current increases to a maximum which is determined by the series resistor, after which is established and remains constant over a wide range of applied voltage. There happen a Zener breakdown. The breakdown is either due to the Zener breakdown effect. So at first the characteristics, the forward characteristics and reverse characteristics. In forward condition, when P terminal is connected with positive terminal of battery and N terminal is connected to negative terminal of DC battery, this connection is called forward condition. In forward characteristics, the forward characteristics of a Zener diode is shown in figure. It almost the identical to the forward characteristics of a PN junction diode like this. This is forward condition, blue lines. When the input voltage of the DC battery is increased slowly, then the in forward condition depletion layer breaks over a zero point 0.7 volt for silicon and 0.3 volt for germanium. And after breakdown the layer, the voltage is increased slowly but current increased rapidly due to large number of charge carriers in forward condition. The Zener diode is used in its reverse bias or reverse breakdown mode. The diode anode connected to negative supply from the VI characteristics curve. We can see that the Zener diode has a region in its reverse bias characteristics of almost a constant negative voltage, regardless of the value of the current flowing through the diode. This is reverse bias condition. When P is connected with negative terminal and is connected with positive terminal of the DC battery, then it is called reverse bias condition. This voltage remains almost constant even with large changes in current, providing the Zener diode's current remains between the breakdown current IZ minimum and its maximum current rating is IZ maximum. This voltage almost constant even the large change in current, providing the Zener diode current remains between the breakdown current IZ minimum and its maximum current IZ max. This ability of the Zener diode to control itself can be used to great effect to regulate or stabilize a voltage source against supply or load variations. The fact that the voltage across the diode in the breakdown region is almost constant turns out to be an important characteristic of the Zener diode, as it can be used in the simplest type of voltage regulator applications. The function of voltage regulator is to provide a constant output voltage to a load connected in parallel with it in spite of the ripple in the supply voltage or variations in the load current. A Zener diode will continue to regulate its voltage until the diode holding current falls below the minimum Z minimum value in the reverse breakdown region. So, as we increase the reverse voltage, initially a small reverse saturation current I node which is in ampere which will flow. This current flow due to the thermally generated minority carriers at a certain value of reverse voltage. The reverse current will increase suddenly and sharply after breakdown. This is an indication that the breakdown has occurred. This breakdown voltage is called Zener breakdown or Zener voltage and it is denoted by Vz. This is in figure. Vz is Zener breakdown. At first thermally generated current I node is flow and after breakdown the current is increased rapidly. The value of Vz can be precisely controlled by controlling the doping level of P and N region at the time of manufacturing. A Zener diode after breakdown has occurred, the voltage across Zener diode remains constant equal to Vz. Any increase in the source voltage will result in the increase in versus Zener current. The Zener current after the breakdown must be controlled by connecting a resistor R. This is essential to avoid any damage to the device due to excessive heating. What is Zener region and its importance? Reverse breakdown of the Zener diode operates in a region called Zener region. In Zener region, this is shown. Zener breakdown region is called Zener region. In this region, the voltage across in this region, the voltage across Zener diode remains constant, but current change depending on the supply voltage. Zener diode is operated in this region when it is being used as a voltage regulator. The complete VI characteristics of Zener diode is as in figure like this forward bias condition and reverse bias condition both are connected, characteristics are combined. It is combined VI characteristics of Zener diode. A Zener diode vary in specifications such as nominal working voltage, power dissipation, maximum reverse current, and packaging. Some commonly used applications include voltage VZ. The Zener voltage refers to the reverse breakdown voltage 2.4 volt to about 200 volt, can go up to 1 kilovolt, while the maximum for the surface mounted device SMD is about 47 volt. Current IZ maximum. Maximum current at the rated Zener voltage VZ 200 micro ampere to 200 ampere. 200 micro ampere to 200 ampere. IZ max. IZ minimum current required for the diode to break down is 5 milliampere and 10 milliampere. What is power rating of Zener diode? The maximum power and Zener diode can dissipate given by the product of voltage across the diode and the current flowing through. Typical value are 400 milliwatt, 500 milliwatt, 1 watt and 5 watt. For surface mounted 200 milliwatt, 350 milliwatt, 500 milliwatt and 1 watt are typical. Voltage tolerance are plus minus 5%. In temperature stability, diode around 5 volt has the best stability. Package lead devices and surface mount either as a discrete device or within integrated circuits. Zener resistance. The diode exhibits some resistance as evident from the VI characteristics. And what is the application of Zener diode? Zener diode are used for voltage regulations as reference element, surge suppressors and in switching applications and deeper circuit. So is used in voltage regulator. Zener diode is used as peak clippers in wave shaping circuit and Zener diode is used as a fixed reference voltage in transistor biasing circuit. Zener diode is used for meter protection against damage from accidental application of excessive voltage. So this is a Zener diode's VI characteristics and application of the Zener diode, and we can understand the difference between Zener diode and PN junction diode. The major difference between PN junction diode and Zener diode is that the PN junction diode allows current to pass only in forward direction, whereas the Zener diode allow the current to flow both in the forward and reverse direction. The both difference between the PN junction and the Zener diode. PN junction diode is used for rectification purpose because it allows the current to flow only in one direction. It is type of switch which only allow the forward current to pass through it. On the other hand, the Zener diode allow both the forward and reverse current to pass through it. The Zener diode is used as a voltage regulator in the electronic circuit because it provides the constant voltage from the supply to the load whose voltage vary over sufficient range. So main comparison like definition. So definition of p-n junction diode is it is a semiconductor diode which conduct only in one direction, in forward direction. And what is the Zener diode? The diode which allows the current to flow in both the direction, the forward and reverse. Such types of diode is known Zener diode. Reverse current effect. P-n junction diode damage the junction, and in Zener diode do not damage the junction. Doping level in p-n junction diode is low, and doping level in p-n junction diode is low, but doping of Zener diode is very high. Breakdown occurs in p-n junction diode at higher voltage, and Zener diode breakdown occur in lower voltage. And p-n junction diode obey Ohm's law, and Zener diode do not obey Ohm's law. And p-n junction diode are used in applications as rectifications, but Zener diode are used in voltage stabilizer, motor protection, and wave shaping. So the p-n junction diode is made up of semiconductor material. It is always conduct in one direction and hence used for rectifications. The p-n junction diode has two terminals, namely anode and cathode. The current flow from anode to cathode. The p-n junction diode conduct only when it is connected to forward biased. The symbolic representation of p-n junction diode like Zener diode, but the arrow marks is not present. P-n junction diode has a p-type and n-type semiconductor material which is joined by the process of alloying. Thus both the end of the diode has different properties. The electrons are the majority charge carriers of the n-type materials, and the holes are majority charge carriers of the p-type semiconductor materials. The region in which both the p-type and n-type materials meets is known as depletion layer. The region do not have any free electrons because electrons and holes combine with each other in this depletion region. The depletion region is very thin and it does not allow the current to flow through it. The p-n junction starts conducting when the forward bias is applied across the junction. The forward bias means the p-type material is connected to the positive terminal of battery and n-type material is connected to the negative supply. The forward bias creates the electric field which reduces the depletion region of the p-n junction diode. When the potential barrier is completely reduced, it creates the conducting path for the flow of current. Thus large current starts flowing, and this current is called the forward current. But the Zener diode is made up of the silicon material. It is a special type of diode which operates in the breakdown region. It allows the current to flow both in the forward as well as in the reverse direction. When the Zener voltage is reached, the Zener diode is made by heavily doped p-type and n-type material. The concentration of ion is high in the material. When the reverse voltage is applied to the material, the depletion layer becomes reduced because of the thin depletion region. The concentration of the electric field is high. If the value of reverse voltage increase, then the ion come out from the electrons and make the depletion region conductive. This breakdown of the depletion region is called the Zener breakdown, and the voltage at which the breakdown occurs, it is called Zener breakdown. The semiconductor which conduct only in one direction is known as the p-n junction diode, and the Zener diode is the silicon diode which is optimized to operate in the breakdown region. The reverse current flow through the diode damages the p-n junction diode. The reverse current flow through the diode when it is connected in reverse bias. The reverse biasing means the p-type material is connected to the negative terminal of the supply, and n-type material is connected to the positive terminal of the supply. But the Zener diode allows the current to pass through both the direction. The doping level of the p-n junction diode is low as compared to Zener diode. The width of the depletion rate depend on their doping level. If the doping level of the diode is high, their depletion rate is low, and vice versa. The breakdown in p-n junction diode occurs at high voltage level, whereas the p-n junction diode its current at low voltage level. The breakdown is in the phenomena of making the depletion region conductive. The heavily doped diode has a low depletion region. The p-n junction obeys the Ohm's law, whereas Zener diode does not obey the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law says that the voltage applied across the diode is equal to the product of the current and resistance applied across the diode. The p-n junction diode is mainly used for rectification purpose, whereas the Zener diode is used for providing the constant voltage to the load whose voltage vary. So this is the Zener diode and a comparison between Zener and p-n junction diode. So thank you all for watching my video.